How to send photo as view once on WhatsApp. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your WhatsApp. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your WhatsApp account and you are connected to internet. Now at the bottom you can see different options. Go to the option camera. Open it. Now over here you can find different videos and photos. Select the one which you want to send to your friend. Here I will be selecting this one. Just tap on the picture. Now here you can see this option of add a caption and this one kind of icon. You have to tap on this one kind of option. You can see that photo set to view once. Now you can set it by tapping on this icon. Now select the friend whom you want to send this photo. Again tap on send, given at the bottom right corner. You can see that photo has been sent. The person can only view this photo for once. In this way, you can easily send photo as view once on WhatsApp. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.